Hello children, today we will be learning a new chapter from your GEMS English Reader book, Jojo's Fate, and the page number is 30. So open page number 30, come to the chapter 5, Jojo's Fate. So before going to the chapter, we will know what pets are. Pets means we keep few animals or birds at our home and they are not useful like domestic animals. Domestic animals means they are useful for us, such as cow, they gives us milk, and also goats, hens. Okay, we can make a farm if we keep hens and we can get eggs from them. So hens, cows, those are useful and hence they are called domestic animals. Whereas cats, dogs and few birds like parrots, hill myna, these are not useful at all. We keep them only for our pleasure, and because we love those pets, that's why we keep them. That's why they are called pet, not domestic animal, because they are not useful at all. So Jojo is a boy who has a pet. That's why the name of the title of the story is Jojo's Fate. Let's know the story of the text. One day, Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. Now, one day Jojo saw a baby bird, small bird, hopping, moved by jumping. Okay? If something or someone is walking or moving by jumping, that is called hopping. So, hopping means moved by jumping. Hopping means move by jumping. Next, in the bushes, bush means thicket, okay? Thick place where the plants are grown thickly. The little bird was hurt in one wing. So, the bird's one wing was damaged somehow and she was hurt, she was wounded. So, here hurt means you can write wounded. W-O-U-N-D-E-D. Okay. Jojo wanted to help the bird. He carried the baby bird home in his basket. So he had a box and he had carried the little bird in his home, to his home. Then he took a hammer. Hammer, you know, a tool which is used to draw the nails into woods. Some nails and some wood. So he gathered all those things as if he was going to make something. Let's know what he is going to make. He built a bird house for the baby bird. Such a cute thing he has done. He took and he has done the bird's house by his own. So Jojo has made one bird's house from which? From wood. Okay, from some wood, piece of wood and some nails. Jojo named his new pet Tweety. So what is the name of his new pet? What is the name of the little bird? What is the name of the wounded bird? Tweety. T-W-E-E-T-Y. As if it's looking like sweetie. Okay, so Tweety is the name. Better if we don't want to get the meaning of it. He caught insects for Tweety to eat. So he gave worms to the bird. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. So he was taking care of the bird very well. Tweety's hurt wing got better. Tweety's hurt wing got better. That means he was hearing. Okay. She learned to fly. So now Tweety has grown up and her wounded wings also cured. So he learned to fly. When Jojo called Tweety, then Tweety would fly to him and sit on his hand. as if it is looking that Tweety was very obedient to Jojo. Whenever Jojo calls Tweety, as if many of us have dogs in our home. I think some of you have dogs in your home. So they are very obedient. So how can we understand that they are obedient? When we call them, they quickly come to us and as if they are very obedient to us. So Tweety is also very obedient. So when Jojo called him, he come and sit on the hand of Jojo. Tweety was naughty. Now let's know the story of his naughtiness. One morning, Jojo could not find his top. Top is a plaything which is with a sharp nail in it, and it's quite looking like this. It's quite looking like this, and there is a sharp nail, and it wheels continuously by the use of a thread. Okay, so top is looking like this. So one day Jojo couldn't find his top, and he didn't know that where his top gone. He looked for it till it was time to leave for school. So Jojo found the top so much, but he could not find, and he was going to leave for school. He could not put on one boot. Now he was trying to wear one boot, but he couldn't. There was something stuck in it. So there is something in the boot. That's why he could not wear the boot. Jojo held the boot up and shook it. So Jojo took the boot up and continuously shaking it. Out fell the top. So Tweety flapped her wings and laughed. So Tweety flapped her wings as if she is laughing. Tweet, tweet, so as if she can speak also. So she was making sound. That it was making sound. Okay, so we should use the pronoun it, because Tweety is a bird and we have to use it. So it was making sound, that is tweet, tweet. That was her way of laughing. So Tweety was laughing like this, tweet, tweet, as if she has done the work, and Jojo could not find the top because Tweety had hidden the top in his boot. Jojo laughed too. He picked up his bag and left for school. So this is the story of Jojo's pet. So we will know the question, answer and the comprehension portion in our next English 1 class, English 2 class. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.